Punjab Congress did a protest at ED office in Chandigarh against action that's been taken in charge sheeting Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. So we have Raja Wedding. So how you see this action? They've been naming in charge sheet Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah, purely it's a vendetta politics. From last 7-8 years, this case is pending. All of a sudden now they have given the charge sheet against Sonia ji, Rahul ji, and I think they have attached the property of National Herald. What is the reason behind that? What is the offense they are telling us? Nothing is there. Our party have given a money to National Herald. That newspaper is belong to us. That is not today's newspaper. I think from last 50, 60, 70 years old newspaper. So even we don't have a money to pay our dues or to salaries to the employees. So I think it's a purely vendetta politics. They want to isolate Rahul Gandhi so that they want to put this RSS की विचारधारा इस देश के ऊपर लागू कर दें. इसलिए they are doing all this shit.
And what do you demand here at ED office?
So our demand is कि आप डराओ मत. Yeah. Via ED or via income tax or via CBI. What they are doing, they are misusing the agencies. They are sending that agencies to everywhere, to different parts of the country. Wherever any opposition party speaks against the BJP or the Shri Narendra Modi ji, ED will come like anything. So time will come, then nobody will forget that what you have done with the opposition leaders. So हमें डराओ मत, ना हम डरते हैं, ना हम डरेंगे, हम अंतिम समय तक लड़ते रहेंगे.
So this was Raja Wedding talking to India Today that they'll fight against it as agencies been misused by the union government, and Congress protested here at ED office in Sector 9 Chandigarh opposing all the activities or the action that's been taken against or the ED going to take against Gandhi family. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.